Hi, this is Kurt at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Kawasaki KLX 110R. For those you know, the 110R is the smallest bike that Kawi makes. It is also the bike that is a clutchless bike, so you don't have the clutch lever here to pull in as the kids are learning. It is still a shift bike, but it is considered, you know, a clutchless bike. So great little bike for the kids to ride on, or for some of you that have gotten out there and gotten into pit bike racing or something like that. You know, a number of you have done that as well. So the 2026, nothing's changed mechanically, but of course with every year they change with graphics and stuff. You can see they've added a little bit of blue here in the graphics, and of course we've got the lime one in stock right now. So if you're looking for a great bike like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.